How to increase fertility in men. Male infertility is when a man has a poor chance of making his female partner pregnant. It usually depends on the quality of his sperm cells. Sperm health depends on various factors, including quantity, movement, and structure. The current evidence indicates that DAA supplements may improve fertility in men with low testosterone levels. Exercising enhances testosterone levels in men and improves fertility. High levels of reactive oxygen species may promote inflammation and injury, but it can also lead to infertility in men. The usage of antioxidants like vitamin C helps lower the reactive oxygen species and issues related to that. Stress could be related to infertility in men. When stress levels increase, cortisol increases. Elevated cortisol decreases the levels of testosterone, hence, the fertility in men. Low testosterone levels can also be an issue of vitamin D deficiency. Men having low vitamin D have a low testosterone level. One study revealed that vitamin D supplements are a cure to this. Studies show that low zinc status or deficiency is associated with low testosterone levels, poor sperm quality, and an increased risk of male infertility. Intake of tobacco, drugs, and alcohol can decrease sperm production. If you want to increase your libido, quit smoking and other addictive drugs. Fenugreek has long been in use as a natural remedy for poor sperm health. Ashwagandha is a medicinal herb that may increase testosterone levels and improve male fertility. Males with infertility who eat supplements containing omega 3 fatty acids experience a significant improvement in sperm motility and concentration. If you are facing a problem with fertility, contact your doctor. If you would like to know about a specific topic, inbox us, email us, or comment down below.